park updates for the month of September coming up right now. What is up, D3 fam? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, I'm going to give you updates for the Disneyland Resort for the month of September. First, as usual, I would like to thank you all for continued support of this channel. Remember, if you like what you see, click that subscribe button below and become a member of the D3 family. Alright D3 fam, like I said, it's the month of September already. The year is almost over. It's the beginning of the fall season here at the Disneyland Resort. This month, I'm going to give you some more updates on the new pedestrian walkway over at the parking structure, as well as some of the stuff that's going on here at the Disneyland Resort. Of course, I'm going to give you guys an update on the new Avengers Campus over at California Adventure. But as you can see behind me, Oogie Boogie right behind me up there over the entry to California Adventure, you know, it's the holiday season. It's the time for a Halloween. So I'm going to check some of that stuff out and some other things also in the Disneyland Park. Let's go. Alright D3 fam, your first update of the day is this new elevator that's going up over here at the Mickey and Friends parking structure right next to the existing one. It's a welcome site for all you parents out there, people who have wheelchair needs and things like that. Hopefully it'll be open by earlier next year, so we'll keep you updated on progress in this area. Let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, here's your update on a new pedestrian bridge going up from the new Pixar Palace parking structure across towards downtown Disney. Looks like it's almost done. Hopefully it'll be open by the end of this month, which is September. So great news for you guys who like to just walk across the street and avoid the trams here at the Mickey and Friends / Pixar Palace parking structure. Just walk over towards downtown Disney and go through the security over there. So hopefully by next month this should be completely open for you. Let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, the first major update we have over here at Disneyland is of course the removal of the French fry rocks at the entrance of Tomorrowland. You can see right there they're moving at I think they're going to just expand the walkway, have more room for traffic, which is awesome here. But hopefully this is a precursor for the early renovation of Tomorrowland. With that being said, folks, let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, a quick update on the Matterhorn Bobsled. As you know, portions of the rock had collapsed about a month or so ago. I don't know if it was due to the earthquake recently, but that's just a rumor. Probably it's just loose plaster, but they're still repairing the side of the mountain. With that being said, I guess the Fantasyland side of the ride is not working. So I think only the Tomorrowland side of the Matterhorn Bobsled is working right now. So again, that's the Matterhorn Bobsleds. I think only one portion of the ride is still open right now until this portion is fixed. Let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, our next update we have here at Disneyland is the update on the Haunted Mansion. Unfortunately, the Haunted Mansion is closed probably until September 6th, when it reopens as a Haunted Mansion Holiday, which is one of the most popular attractions here at the Disneyland Resort this time of year. As you know, they merge Halloween with Christmas. You know, with Jack the Pumpkin King comes here during this time of year, which is really awesome. Very good attraction. I highly recommend you guys get a fast pass when it opens up here. Again, folks, the Haunted Mansion will be closed until September 6th. Afterwards, it will be open again as a Haunted Mansion holiday. Now let's go to our next update. Alright D3 fam, that's the latest update from the Disneyland side of the resort. Now let's walk over to the California Adventure side and see the updates they have over there. Let's go. Alright D3 fam, here's the first update from the California Adventure side. We're at the Buena Vista Street Red Trolley Car Station. You can see they're still doing some renovations right here. We don't know the estimated timetable when this is going to be done, so I'll keep you guys updated probably next monthly as usual on the progress on this project. Let's go to our next update here at California Adventure. Alright D3 fam, unfortunately I have some bad news for you guys. This is probably the saddest update of the day, of the month, possibly of the year. The Soaring Over California attraction is no longer here. Guess what? They brought back Soaring Around the World. To mixed reactions, of course. I personally love the Soaring Over California version of this attraction. I say they should keep the Soaring Around the World version in Florida and just redo the Soaring Over California version here in California. Just reshoot it up to up-to-date standards. But with that being said, folks, again, at the beginning of this month, September, today as a matter of fact, the Soaring Around the World attraction is back in place of the classic Soaring Over California. That being said, folks, let's go to our next attraction update. Alright, D3 fam, here we are at our next update here at the Disneyland California Adventure. Here is the new marquee for the Mickey's Color Magic attraction here on Buena Vista Street at California Adventure. It looks amazing, folks. Time well spent on this project right here. Looks really classy and everything like that. We're going to go inside and take a look at how the improvements were made in this section, especially the eating area right now. Let's go check it out. Like I said, D3 fam, this is a new entry to the Mickey's Color Magic attraction here at the Disneyland Resort here at California Adventure. Looks really amazing. They really reworked this area really nicely. Have like the red carpet effect here on the concrete. And the seating area is really awesome as well too. They really did a good job in this area. You have the movie posters over here displaying the classic Disney attractions, the new attractions. Right here in the exterior. Have the ceiling fans going too. Really good addition here. Really awesome. They still really spent some time and effort to put in this area. Let's go to the next update. Alright, D3 fam, our next and most exciting update we have is from the northeast corner of the construction of Avengers Campus here at the California Adventure. As you can see, it has some more stuff going up over the wall right there. You can probably see some construction work right over there a little bit. We still have the construction wall up a little bit. We might be able to see something from the southwestern portion of the construction. We might get a bit more view of the Spider-Man attraction. We're going to go over there and check that section out right now. Alright, D3 fam, this is the last update of the day. Here we are at California Adventure looking at the southwest portion of the construction of the Avengers Campus here at California Adventure. As you can see, they're making progress on a new Spider-Man attraction right in front of us right there. And you can see in the background, move over a little bit, you can see the Guardians of the Galaxy Tower right there. I'm going to put a link up for you guys to look at the review I have from the D23 Expo last week, or I should say last month. I had up the exhibit they had for the new Avengers Campus. It looks really amazing. You guys should check it out. Like I said, I'll put the link up there for you guys to look at. There's some more activity you can see in the back, more construction going up in this area. We're going to probably, hopefully later on this month, or next month, get a better update on the progress of this attraction. With that being said, folks, let's go to the next update. Well, folks, there you have it. That's your update from the Disneyland Resort for the month of September. As you can see, there are a lot of big changes going on here at the resort still. A lot of construction going on. A lot of big new surprises going on too. You know, be sure you can catch that electrical parade before it ends at the end of the month, I believe. And you know, hey, Halloween's starting pretty soon, so I'm pretty sure I'll probably be covering that in my October update. And you know, folks, my next episode I'll probably be shooting from Orlando, Florida, from Disney World, giving you an update from there. And also remember to catch my new series starting soon, my comparison series, my D3 versus series, D3V to be exact. That's when I compare my new rides and attractions from Disneyland and Disney World. With that being said, folks, this concludes this episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And also, if you haven't already done so, feel free to subscribe to this channel. And also remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter. See you next time.